And then what kind of profits they're offering. Maybe it's unrealistic. I had this guy call me, they want to raise money, and he said, listen, you have your fund, you've been up and running, we're watching your videos. We really would like you to come and visit us in Dallas. And I have background in 12 different type of commercial properties. And we have hotel products, and we would like you to come in and we'll put you as partner. And I said, okay, if I give you $1 million, what will you give me? And he said, I'll give you immediately a bonus of another 15%. That's like I put $1 million and they give me shares worth $1,150,000. Right there, I got suspicious. They're in trouble. They're offering more than they can pay off. You see my point? You want somebody realistic in their offering. 4%, and we do this, we do that. I give you an example, Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone, I use him as an example because in Florida, and a lot of people saw the guy. You can see on YouTube, he does some calls. And he used to brag 1.5 years, 2 years ago, like on the call, he said, I'm buying this building, 300 units. I'm getting a loan, interest only 2.5% for the first 2 years. It's a bridge loan. It's a teaser rate. So the question you should have is, okay, what's gonna happen in the market? Where is the interest going? Look, everybody knew interest is going up. We didn't know it's gonna go up that fast, that much. In the history of the US, it never happened. But at 2.5% interest only payment, and he's borrowing to buy the building, and he's getting his 3% acquisition fee and cash flow, etc. What's gonna happen on the 25th month? You see, it's 24 months interest only. The bank is gonna say, now you're ready to amortize the loan. That means make the principal payment, which is the amount of the loan payment, and the interest. So now the payment is gonna go from 2.5% only to the new interest rate, and right now is like 6.5%, 7%. Amortized. That means it's not just gonna double, it's gonna like double in half. So he said, I can't make the payments. But you could see it coming because the market was gonna change. It made sense at that moment, but it did not make sense long term. That's 5.8% at best. For 2.5, and you can see it on YouTube, right now, his Fannie Mae guy, I know because one of my students went to meet him. This is from Ashley's, thank you. So what happens is on the Fannie Mae is 5.8%. So it's gonna double anyway you put it. So you have to look at the people, at the projects that they have. Yes, what the people's track record and all this, with the people, the projects that they have, the actual positioning they have in the market. What positioning do they have? What's so special about that deal? It's the only apartment building in front of the Galleria in Houston, Texas. It's the only one available. Perfect positioning. Positioning. It's like, what's that in the market? And then what kind of performance, what are they gonna do? They're gonna actually remove everybody because there are drug dealers in that apartment building. We're gonna get everybody out, gonna remodel all the units, and we're gonna rent them. You know how much it's gonna cost to do that? It is unbelievable. And then they don't have that well spelled out. And then what kind of profit they want to distribute?